The incredible benefits a Canton, Michigan dry ice cleaning service can provide. Keeping your industrial equipment clean and in proper working order is a critical part of making sure you're falling within regulated health and safety standards. With advances in recent technology, dry ice blasting has become an excellent alternative for companies who need to maintain the highest standard of cleanliness for their equipment, but who are unable to use water or sand blasting. Canton, Michigan dry ice blasting has been in use as a cleaning and polishing method since 1955, and its benefits are far-reaching. Today, we'll be talking about some of the benefits of hiring a Canton, Michigan dry ice cleaning service, and why it might be the right choice for your business. Speed and efficiency. Because dry ice cleaning doesn't require costly disassembly of equipment, or time-consuming manual cleaning with solvents and wire brushes, it is a superior method of cleaning over other alternatives. The faster cleaning time means less downtime in equipment, as well as fewer chances for intricate parts to be mishandled or broken during cleaning. A dry, sensitive process. Because dry ice sublimates almost immediately on contact with a surface, it leaves behind no liquid residue. This means the risk of dangerous electrically conductive materials being left in your machinery to potentially cause damage to the equipment, or safety issues for its operators. Moreover, the dry ice pellets used in a Canton, Michigan dry ice cleaning services are non-abrasive, which means that they won't damage sensitive equipment. Maintenance and cleaning can have as much an effect on the wear and tear of equipment as the use itself. So finding a less abrasive alternative to other solvents can help maximize the service life of your machinery, and save your plant money in the long run. Environmentally friendly. One of the biggest advantages Canton, Michigan dry ice cleaning services can provide is the ability to provide a deep cleaning service that has a minimal environmental impact. Unlike sandblasting, which leaves behind tiny particles that will need to be cleaned up and ultimately disposed of as waste, Canton, Michigan dry ice blasting leaves behind no waste. The pellets of carbon dioxide used to clean surfaces are recycled, and there's no water to reclaim after the CO2 has sublimated. Great for the bottom line, because of all these reasons. Reduced downtime, the extended service life of machines, and no hazardous waste to clean up. Canton, Michigan dry ice cleaning is ultimately great for your bottom line. The expense of each of those component parts can add up over time, and saving those funds can help you invest in other areas of your company, helping you grow while resting assured that your machinery is meeting regulatory standards. Strength H2O Industrial Solutions is the #1 provider of Canton, Michigan dry ice blasting services. Contact us today for a free, no obligation